Hi, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas with one of my library finds that I was tempted and grabbed off the shelf. North Wild Kitchen, Home Cooking from the Heart of Norway by Nevada Berg. Now, I'm thinking since I'm a vegetarian, I will be skipping a lot of the seafood and meat chapters, but you could be interested in seeing them. Starts out with a beautiful picture of Norway and a beautiful lattice pie crust top. And the contents are, I do not know how to pronounce these, feel free to laugh. Sankingen, the forage. Van or Von, the waters. Setteren, the summer mountain farm, that sounds lovely. In Hostingen, I don't know, the harvest. Jackton, the hunt, I'm going to skip that chapter. Staberet, the storage house. And Ballet, the campfire, ooh. Janet Taken og Ovnen, the iron, the griddle, and the oven. Ovnen, okay. Introduction about Norway, blah, 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 blah. With all the Scandinavian and Swedish and Hygge and Denmark and Finnish and all the fascination with Scandinavia, I actually haven't read that many Norwegian cookbooks, so I'm very excited. And it is beautiful. The forage. I actually live near woods and I forage for fiddlehead ferns. I don't usually find them. I find berries. Wild garlic soup. How good does that look? Yum. What gives it the green color? Garlic leaves, I guess. Wow. Creamy sorrel potato salad. Sounds amazing. Beer battered spruce tips with syrup. What? Wait. What? That's incredible. I have spruce in my backyard. I'm not sure I was going to eat up all the needles, but that's very odd. Okay. Oatmeal with raw spruce tip granola and blueberries. I wonder if they discovered this some bad winter when everyone in Norway was about to starve and they had to eat their trees. I don't know. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. Just interesting that you'd start eating that. Wild nettle and honey cake. Okay, nettles hurt my mouth, but maybe it's a different kind of nettles than I have that are stinging. Mini nettle pavlovas. Beautiful. This is fascinating. Wild strawberry soup with wild field mint cream. Yum. Strawberry soup. I love it. Simple ingredients. Cloudberry caramels with sea salt. Yum. I don't know what a cloudberry is. I don't think we have those here in America, but that's fine. Creamy chanterelle and goat cheese skillet. Yum. Homemade bilberry cordial. I know we don't have bilberries, but I wonder what we have. European blueberries. Yeah, so she writes a little bit about what she, don't know. Juniper beer. I wonder if it tastes like gin, sort of. Rowan berry and apple chutney with hazelnut bread. If you have access to wild apples, use them instead of cultivated ones. Here's the waters. I'm going to skip all the fish stuff because I don't want to really see some gross fish. Okay, simple fish cakes. Okay. I'm trying to be careful. I really shouldn't lick my fingers to turn a page when it's a library book, but you kind of have to, right? Here's the Summer Mountain Farm chapter. Homemade butter. Brown cheese. I love brown cheeses. Sour cream porridge. What? I might have to own this. This is fascinating. Rice porridge. No-cook stirred strawberry jam. Well, I had a Norwegian grandmother that made no-cook stirred strawberry jam. I wonder if that's a tradition. Milk cakes. What? They use baking soda and and flour. Light and fluffy cheesecake. Caramel pudding. Yum. Layered cream cake with fresh berries. Stunning photography, by the way. Ramagrat ice cream. Using sour cream, heavy cream, sugar, cinnamon sugar, cured meats. Kind of wish I hadn't read that. Don't you? Okay, the harvest. Rustic savory pear tart. I love rustic. That means it doesn't have to look perfect. Creamy Jerusalem artichoke soup. Nice. Cauliflower soup topped with fried fennel. Nice. I don't usually go that extra step. I make homemade soup and then go, here you go, and I put sour cream on top of it. I'm not frying stuff to use as a garnish and topping. That's pretty cool. Sweet and sour braised red cabbage. I wondered if some cabbage was going to come into a Norwegian cookbook. Lamb and cabbage stew. Norwegian meatballs with creamed cabbage. Creamed cabbage sounds good. Veiled peasant girls. Now I'm afraid to look and see what's in it. Breadcrumbs, cinnamon, apples, sugar, bean, vanilla bean. Okay, good, no meat. Apple cake. Carrot sheet cake. Here's the hunt. Going to skip that chapter. La la la. Wait, rowan berry jelly. We must have gotten out of the hunt, right? Venison stuffed cabbage rolls. I don't know. Oh, jelly could be out of animal hooves. Okay. Moose burger. Reindeer stew. I meant to skip this part. Okay. We must have started a new... the storage house. I wish I had a storage house for my food. That'd be awesome. I could be a food hoarder. Flatbread cereal with cherry compote. Potato flatbread. Cured lamb ribs. Okay. Ooh, skip. Ooh, yeah, skip. Okay. Hen and dumplings. That's meat, but it doesn't look gross. Flatbread yellow pea soup wrap. The campfire. I bet that's going to be a lot of meat. Oh, ember grilled leeks with butter. That sounds good. Twisted bread with carrots and oats. Oh, you can cook it right over the... And you have to twist it so it doesn't fall off. Gotcha. That's really cool. Okay. Slow roasted leg of lamb. Wood plank trout. Well, Norway, they eat a lot of fish. Homemade blueberry marshmallows. Yum. Fire brewed coffee. Nice. Cardamom hot chocolate. Yes. And here's the iron, the griddle, and the oven. This is a really cool cookbook. Aniseed waffles. Pancake puffs. This is really cool. Sweet buns with cardamom and Bergen cinnamon buns. So Norwegian people use a lot of cardamom and cinnamon, which is interesting because I'm sure they didn't have a lot of access to that before the 1800s. I don't know. That is North Kitchen. I definitely recommend it. That was really cool. When I turn off the camera, I'm going to go sit and read it properly, not just flip through it. That is really amazing. I love it. Hope you enjoyed the Cookbook Look-Through, and please follow Cookbook Divas on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and possibly Pinterest soon.